Is this $600 fat tire electric bike from TSTST GRP actually worth buying, or is it too good to be true? Let's break down the real-world performance right now.
With an Amazon rating of 4.3 stars from over 200 reviews, this budget e-bike promises premium power without breaking the bank. Let's see how it holds up.
Right out of the massive shipping box, the packaging is incredibly secure, protecting the frame from any scratches or transit damage. Unboxing reveals the heavy-duty components, including the pre-assembled mainframe, front wheel, handlebars, chargers, and user manual. Humans. Powering this machine is a 750-watt motor with a peak output of 1,500 watts. Accelerating on flat pavement features. The heart of the bike is its removable 48-volt, 15-amp-hour battery. It is fully UL 29 certified for safety and engines. These 20 by 4-inch fat tires combined with the dual front suspension allow you to glide effortlessly over loose gravel, deep. When coming to a sudden halt, the high-performance dual mechanical disc brakes provide responsive and reliable stopping power. Compared to standard $600 competitors, this model provides significantly higher peak motor wattage and beefier fat tires. For most users looking for a rugged, low-cost commuter, this is highly recommended. It earns an excellent overall rating of. If you want to experience this high-power electric bike for yourself, make sure to check out the latest pricing using the verified Amazon link in the description below.